Hello guys, this is MI Redmi Go model. MI logo hang problem. How to solve this problem and logo hang problem? This is logo hang problem. I'm going to this problem is solved. Uh, Power button and volume plus button, press and hold. Power button and volume plus button, press and hold. Okay. Then restart the phone. uh, okay. Power plus button. Okay. Then uh, no command, power button and press volume plus. Okay. Long press power button hold, then press volume plus, hold power button, then press volume plus. Okay. Or volume minus, data factory reset. Okay. Data factory reset, then press power button. Okay. Or volume minus button, then S, camera blur. Or press power button. Okay. I data factory reset or press power button, data factory reset or power button, or S or power button, data factory reset or reboot system or power button. Okay. Then restart the mobile. Hold up, please hold few minutes. Okay. Long press power button. Guys, finally mobile is open and start. I skip. Use a password in Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi. Checking for updates. Okay. Checking for updates. This may takes a few minutes. Wait. Okay. Copy your data. Set up a new. Set up a new and set up as new. Just a second, wait. Then this mobile is locked in FRP. See, FRP lock. uh, this use your pattern and password. I'm use your my password. Okay, next checking info, then lock is remove. Skip, skip, skip. FRP lock is removed finally. Okay, your name is next step. Next, use your pattern and not now. Skip anyway. Okay, finally mobile is open. This agreement is MI services application is loading. Guys, our mobile services is Dinesh Mobile Gallery in Dhangadi Chauraha, Nepal. I am from Nepal. I am Nepalese. Loading application. Wait a few minutes, please. Okay, paid on mail ID and no thanks.
त्यो निकालिन्छ नाइटा हो नि त नाइटा नाइटा